Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna jump right into it. We are going to do a simple beginner friendly makeup look. Start out with the Danessa Myrick blurring balm. I'm gonna put everything on the screen. I use the shade Universal. Then I like to go in with the e.l.f. Jelly Pop, just a little, and I concentrate this under my eyes. So that is where most people crease at. That is where I crease. And you're gonna let this sit. So I start out with this first. That way, when I'm doing my brows, it is really marinating in my skin and ready for use. We are going to use the Refine brow pencil, maybe because this is what I see. But affordable option I would definitely say is the e.l.f. Start out by, you're gonna draw a line underneath, just so you make sure that you're following your natural arch. You don't want it to look too like you added on too much, and it gives like your boyfriend get up close and you can tell the difference between the hair and your eyebrow pencil. Ew. And so after you draw the line underneath, you're just gonna go through and flaky. I take brows very seriously, so over here, I really just wanted to tell everybody thank you for those of you that took the time out to watch the video about grief. Like some of y'all, like most of y'all, decided to DM me, and I really appreciate it. Posting that video took a lot out of me. Like, I was so nervous. I was just like I'm really letting people know what's up, but I'm better now. I've since been in therapy, and yeah, shout out to her. Okay, boom. So now that our brows are done, we're gonna jump right into it. Right now, our face should be sticky. You should hear it. Like, you should hear, like, look. That's the primer working, okay? Since this is a beginner-friendly makeup tutorial, we are not doing an underpainting method. We are meeting you where you at, and we all know about foundation, okay? Today, I am using the Makeup by Mario in the shade 10C. I don't like to go in the back of my hand, so we're just going to do one pump only. That's all you need. That's all you need. And I'm going to take my Morphe M439 brush, and I'm just going to dab it all around. This is important. When I start going in, I'm going to avoid my under eye area. I am avoiding this area because the more product you put under your eye, the greater chance you give to creasing. And we hate creasing, okay? So you're going to start on your cheeks. And you're just going to stamp that in. Remember, avoid this part. So stop. I'm stopping, you see? I really hate the fact that I have to cover up my moles. So I try to be very light when it comes to my moles. Now, for the nose part, I take my nail and I just do that. Because you still got to get product right there. Like, if not, you're going to be able to tell that that skin is unmarked. Well, at least I can tell. And on the nose, light. Remember, you are avoiding right here. Avoiding. So you're lightly hitting that nose. That nose is going to get product on it. Trust me. You don't even have to really worry about the nose for real. And this is my second time putting foundation on. This is how light we're being. Like, we just want the foundation to give us a good even layer of skin to apply the rest of our makeup on. But we are not trying to give cake doll. This is for everyday wear. This part, again, should not have any foundation on. I keep saying that because it is very, very important. We are first going to go in with our hourglass in the shade Oak. And we're going to go right here. And then we're going to go right here. And then I am going to lightly spray. Let it sit for like 10 seconds. 10. Take your beauty blender and just look up. Please be sure to look up. That's how you get in that crease. Look up. You have to look up. That is how you get in that crease area. Alright, and then, oh my god, do you see? Oh my goodness. Let me. Bro. Imagine you're on a date with your man. He making you laugh too hard. And then your eye makeup coming off. No, not cute. No bueno, no bueno, okay? So boom, go under there. Then before we apply the contour, we are going to go in with our blush. I am using Rare Beauty in the shade Joy, and I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand. Put it on the back of my hand. I'm going to take my blush brush. It's just the Real Techniques brush. If I can find her. Yeah. And you're just going to dab, dab, dab. And you're going to go. I go right here. Right here. It really depends on what look you're going for. I'm going for girl. I'm going for when you see me in my phone and I'm blushing. The blush is over exaggerated. So you really gonna think like my man is just like making my day. And if I had a man, he would be making my day. Because why you my man if you're not making my day? What? Does that make sense? Okay. I'm going to go in with my contour. I use the LYS. I don't know how to pronounce this, so I'm saying LYS. And we're going here, 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 here. Wait, let me zoom back out. So here, 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 and then this part. Also, I feel like if you have the contour that goes like in the eyebrow, you're superior. Like, you are one of them bad gals that they talk about in songs. I'm sorry, that they respectfully talk about in songs. If it's a disrespectful song, they're not talking about you. Get my NYX brush and I go down. I blend down first and then I go into my hairline. Yep. Yes, yes. Yes. To go in with my foundation, don't add any more and just go over it. It adds like a seamless blend. Let me zoom in. It gives like a little seamless blend. You see that? This side and then this side. You see how this is way more seamless? It's that final step. Now, I take the Huda Beauty, and I really have to stop using my travel size one. But whatever. I'm gonna put it on the back of your hand. I put it on the back of my hand. Take your puffy puff. Get some in there. And then look up. Do that again. Make sure you like really carve out that contour here. Like this is the step to do that. Really get that contour. And take, I'm gonna get right here. Use the Juvia's Place and the tan one, and yeah, as you can see, I run her out, but I love this one too. It really all just depends on your preference, because sometimes I also go in with both. And I use the Sephora Pro blush brush in the shade, the number 93, and you flick up. You take it up, flick up. You're not bringing this down. You flick this up because you still want to leave that there. So you just flick up. Again, flick up. That's it. That's all. For my nose, I specifically take this one. I pinch the tip because I try to keep products minimal. You pinch the tip. And you just go. Alright. Same thing for the other side. We're almost done. And so now you're going with your blush. I use the Sephora Dab Dab Dab. I don't even know if they still sell it, because, or maybe they changed the packaging maybe, but it's definitely from the Sephora collection. Like I said, I love blush, so I'm a little heavy with it. And then final is you need to dust it all away. I lastly like to take my my foundation brush one last time just to clean up any imperfections. Especially with that nose contour, because sometimes I can, like, that can come off a little too heavy. And we don't want that. So you just fix any imperfections. I do not put any extra foundation on there. And there you have it, an everyday. Okay. Let me get close. Like, do y'all see that? Spray room. Let it sit. when it marinates. And that's it, y'all. That's our simple, quick, beginner-friendly makeup routine. If you'd like to see anything else, please comment down below. In the meantime, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all next week. Bye.